Welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. Well, I'm excited today to bring to you a delicious and easy potato salad. So this salad is good for any time of the year, most especially if you're having a barbecue and you're expecting company and you want to make a big old salad. So if this interests you, stick around and let's get started. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. So what we're going to start with first, you need to peel about 6 potatoes and cube it into little cubes like this. Boil it in some water with about a half a teaspoonful of sea salt, and that will be pretty much the only time that you would need to salt this, unless you want to add it after. That's entirely up to you. Then after you finish with that, drain it, let it come to total room temperature, and then it's ready to start your salad. Now what's so lovely about these potatoes, this potato salad, you can make it with any type of potato. So today, as you can see, I'm using a yellow potato. I got that one on sale, so that was perfect. 2 boiled eggs, again, let it come to total room temperature, and then cut it in cubes the same way we got the potatoes, and you can do that with the 2 of them. We got a half of English cucumber cut up in small cubes. I gave them a little rinse. That's all you need to do there. 10 small tomatoes. You can go to baby tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, it doesn't matter. Cut it in half or cut it in quarters and just toss it into the salad. Now what I got cut up here as well is some red onion, and I'm going to say about 2 tablespoonfuls, but if you like red onion like us, you could use a little bit more, that's fine. I got about 1/4 teaspoonful of onion powder, and I got the same, I got down as a pinch, 1/4 teaspoonful of pepper, and a tablespoonful of your favorite mustard. Right here I'm using a Dijon mustard, and sometimes what I'll use in this one as well is my mother's mustard, and I got that one in our recipe, our cookbook, What's for Supper, and it's a lovely one as well. I'm going to toss this together first, and then we'll add in our boiled egg. Before I start tossing it, I'm going to put about a stalk or maybe even 2 of some green onion and just dice it real small like this. I usually use the scissors, but you can use a nice sharp knife, and this is a little bit quicker for me, that's all. And just toss that in there. So you're going to get this delicious nice savory taste of the onion, and of course the mustard is going to kick it up a little notch. And I'm using 1/4 cup of mayo, and you could use Miracle Whip as well, or your favorite dressing, and I'm going to toss this in together. So now of course at this point in making your easy potato salad, with all of this delicious goodness in there, you could taste it for seasoning if you want to add a little bit more of different seasonings, of course. But I'm just making a good old basic potato salad. Look at those colors in there, and tossing in there the 2 boiled eggs. That's room temperature, and of course cut into cubes. And then usually after I do this, now you could clean around the bowl and call it a day, or you can pull in a fancy bowl. So when I say fancy bowl, you put one that you want to serve with. And for me today, this is a bowl that my mom gave me years ago. I'm going to toss this in here. I usually pick a bowl that's not big enough to toss my salad, and then we end up with like 3 or 4 bowls. Raymond will always say, yeah, more for me to wash. So you're just going to take this now and just lightly toss it into, like I was saying, a fancy bowl. And then I got some paprika, stuck a little bit to the bowl, and just toss that over the top just for garnish. And that's all we need to do there. And then all you need to do is just top with another little bit of green onion, just to give it a little bit of a garnish. So this is it. It's as good as it gets. This is your easy potato salad. And now you can cover it with a bit of clear wrap, store it in your fridge up to 4 to 5 days, or just put it out on the table to be served. So pretty much that's all I would do with this salad. And like I was saying, if you want to store it in your fridge for a few days or make it the night before, it'll be flavorful. Put some clear wrap over the top, put it in your fridge, or you could make it and serve it right away. That's entirely up to you, but it's good up to 5 days in your fridge. And now I'm going to take up a little taste, because I can't wait to have some of this salad, because this is one of my potato salad that I enjoy making. And Raymond's going to click on that barbecue later today, so we can have
a good steak or pork chop now, whichever.
It's going to be nice. So I'm going to have a little taste. Oh my gosh. Drop the salad, delicious.
Good. I thought you was going to say drop the plate. That wouldn't be good.
No, not at all. Very tasty. Again, you flavor it up the way you like to have it. If you want more seasonings in there, or your favorite seasonings, totally okay. I'm not going to know about it. But this is it. 2 thumbs up. Easy homemade salad for you and your family. Yum. So now for us today, I'm going to cover it so that I can put it in the fridge and let it just get that little bit extra flavor going on for us to have our barbecue this afternoon. So if you're interested in this recipe, it'll be posted down below. Of course, following along with us here on our video is always helpful. You can also download it on our website, www.BONITA'S.kitchen.com, and join our newsletter. I'm going to do a big old shout out to our paid members and thank each and every one of you for supporting Bonita's Kitchen. We so appreciate it. And of course, to all of our subscribers to date, you are everything to us, because you're getting us out there further and further for more people to see our videos and to enjoy them with their families. So anytime that you can't find a recipe and you're looking for it and thinking Bonita is surely going to have it on her YouTube channel or website, send me a message at bonita'skitchen@gmail.com. We're also going to share links at the bottom to our custom-made apron, our new cookbook, and our other cookbooks, of course, and the access to our Amazon site. So I think that's it, Raymond. You know what?
I think you pretty well got it all covered.
We so appreciate each and every one of you, and we know your time is precious, and we surely thank each and every one of you for stopping by and spending a little bit of it with us here today. So on behalf of myself,
and myself, of course,
and Raymond, and from our team, and our kitchen to yours, thank you for joining us, and
you have a wonderful day. Hello.
Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen.